Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video, I am making one watercolor painting and I'll do it step by step. And so first of all, I have taken watercolor paper and I am applying the washi tape on the corners of the paper, and then I'm drawing my main object. As we are going to do watercolors, so what you have to do, you have to create your drawing very light, because you will not erase it after you once you apply the watercolors. So for watercolors, always draw your drawing very light. So I have taken 0.5 pencil. Now my drawing is ready and I am applying water on the paper. I am wetting my paper to spread my watercolors easily. So first you have to apply water on your paper, and then you apply a thin coat of color. I am giving little light base to my painting and I will shade it in the towel color.
Hope you have liked the video. Give a like if you like, and if you're new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel for new videos, and its part B will come very soon. So share it with your friends and stay tuned.